Scientists claim that honey is an extremely efficient ingredient in treating many health conditions. And when it's combined with cinnamon, it becomes an even more powerful weapon against all types of viruses, and it lowers high cholesterol levels and blood sugar levels. It's also beneficial for treating other health conditions as well. It may seem impossible, but this healthy combo is really effective and beneficial for all types of diseases. These two ingredients are inexpensive and easily attainable, and their mixture can be of great help in almost all kinds of health issues. 1. Heart diseases. To preserve or restore your heart health, you should prepare a honey and cinnamon paste. You should consume the paste on bread, instead of marmalade, for breakfast every morning. It decreases cholesterol levels in the arteries and thus leads to a prevention of a possible heart attack. 2. Arthritis. Prepare a miraculous mixture by mixing 2 tablespoons of honey and a tablespoon of cinnamon in a glass of water. If consumed in the morning and at night, this drink will address chronic arthritis, and if consumed regularly, it can even help against cancer. 3. Gallbladder infection. Mix 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of honey in a glass of lukewarm water and drink it every day. In this way, you will successfully eliminate bacteria in your gallbladder. 4. Cholesterol. This combination can help you lower your cholesterol levels by only 10% in only 2 hours. All you need to do is to mix 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon in a big cup of tea and drink it regularly. 5. Cold. In cases of cold, chronic cough, and sinus obstruction, take 1 tablespoon of honey with 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon 3 days in a row. 6. Stomach aches. You will eliminate your stomach ache by regular consumption of honey and cinnamon. Moreover, this combination can be of great help in cases of stomach ulcers as well. 7. Immune system. Regular consumption of honey and cinnamon powder also improves your immunity and guards your organism against bacteria and viruses. 8. Flu. Spanish medical experts have found that the mixture of honey and cinnamon is also beneficial in cases of flu due to the antiviral properties of honey. 9. Loss of weight. Consuming a glass of boiled water with honey and cinnamon on an empty stomach every morning will successfully stimulate your weight loss process. 10. Bad breath. Rinse your mouth with a mixture of hot water, a tablespoon of honey, and cinnamon on a daily basis, and you will maintain a fresh breath during the day.